Okay, y'all, this is your girl. Tonight's dinner, something quick. Homemade chicken tenders, cut from chicken breasts, broccoli with just a hint of cheese. Hold on. This thing keep telling me about my storage. Okay. And some bread. Something I usually don't eat, but hey, why not? Tonight, wrap it up in some bread. Okay? Yes, homemade chicken tenders, broccoli. Yep. And my drink of choice tonight is iced tea, half lemonade, half lemon, because I got like a whole thing of lemon in there, and half tea. All right, all right, all right. Go learn today. Smooches.